no Governor Amos Nyaribo kubwaterana ne kiombe kia Safaricom M-Pesa Foundation nigo ritukoria rero baigwere bene chinyomba cy'uburaro cyaborokiwa baiseke n'abamura abeskuru ya secondary ya Riomego igotoke ward ya Kerenye nsemo y'ebunge ya North Mugrange County ya Nyamira bakwana hekere kyo nigo Nyaribo aereire gusakire mbi ya Safaricom M-Pesa Foundation asogosiroko entubaigo umorokyo manene bweskuru eyo amono yo mubwa aborokiwa bakirembuya na koria eira gokora umuki.
Nieka hapo kwa 3,
2, 1.
Na jeta se M-Pesa Foundation wagaja utwagaja chidomu skuru. Chidomu jina chi aerire ibere eyabana abanyaruka 200 na abana bamura 200 igore ero twaje guchigora kirasime na iya kotoreta towakera M-Pesa Foundation. Asante sana na watu waendelea kutumia Safaricom na M-Pesa. Asante, si mnaona wanasaidia? Yes. Wako tayari na 3 projects ongoing. Skuru te waji domne yabana ense me yense igo atoja na ramagendero amagendero tadi andos no kona komenta obamanyi obuya n'abana banyore nafasi ingia basome bitabu baeta matemwa baje otokonya baje otagize nafasi yeita mambi.
Today we are here in Nyamira and we're really happy to be in this school today. And what we have done, so from a Safaricom Foundation perspective, we have 3 pillars. We do education, we do health, and we do entrepreneurship as well. So today we are focused on the pillar of education, and what we did, we decided to construct the 2 dormitories. It has costed 35 million Kenya shillings to do the 2 dormitories. We will be able to house 400 students, 1 for the girls, 1 for the boys, and these are the citizens of the future.
And now the students are going to live in a very conducive environment which we enhance running. We are very proud of Safaricom Foundation. We are proud because of our governor, His Excellency Amos Nyaribo, because he contacted the Safaricom people. Let us go. Our parents are very happy. We are on behalf of the board of management. We are humbled. God bless you, and we look forward to future partnership.
Back there, we once had population pressure, and for now, we have sufficient dormitory and we have enough beds to lay our heads on. And we also promise that we will work extra hard to make them proud for this fight they have brought us.